Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to cancel Temu items. First, you need to open the Temu app. Here, tap on You from the bottom menu. Then go to Your Orders. My list is empty as I have not done any order yet, but you will find your orders list along with their delivery status. You need to select the item that you want to cancel. Right next to it, you'll see the option of Cancel. Tap on it. After that, it will ask for a few details about your order. Once you provide them, it will cancel the order and the amount will be credited in your account within a few days. So this is how you cancel items on Temu. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.